with Eskrima de Campo 1, 2, 3 of Manungusi, it was a sudden awareness for me, a sudden understanding because when during our first meeting, our first training, he strike at me so fast that I was not able to see the stick, and he asked me, can anybody block that strike? And told him, I don't think so. I don't think so. So that is the first lesson that the Campo practitioner the Campo Eskrima practitioner should learn, that the strike of the Campo cannot just be blocked. Actually, there is no blocking in Eskrima de Campo 1, 2, 3. But most of the students do not understand it yet, because during the training they were blocking the strikes, right? But in the real essence of Eskrima de Campo 1, 2, 3, no blocking whatsoever. No blocking. You have to hit and avoid being hit. That's what the first lesson. So, but it will take you time to understand, because the teacher the teacher cannot teach you right away to how it is done, and you cannot do it right away also. So there should be stages of learning how it should be done, that the strike cannot be blocked. If you are like I said, well trained in Eskrima de Campo 1, 2, 3, and you understand the principles, all principles behind all of that, then the lethal confrontation or the fight itself will only last for a few seconds. Not for a minute, but for a few seconds. One strike is enough if you are really well trained. So, no need for several strikes. You have to learn to achieve a very high level of mastery and understanding and training and skill of Eskrima de Campo 1, 2, 3. Only one strike is enough. But according to my teacher, because of difference in physical and mental attributes, maybe he said maybe 3. So that is why he put there, he wrote there, the Campo 1, 2, 3, maybe 3. But the highest level, one hit is enough, and the confrontation is consummated already. I mean, it ended already. No need to practice many strikes. Just one strike. Just one strike. But you cannot instantly learn that without first learning from the first lesson, the basic, and then going to the advanced level. I cannot tell you right now what is the advanced level. You know, Manong Jose Caballero used to tell me stories that gives, he uses stories that illustrate lessons in Eskrima. For example, he used to watch Western movies, the American Western movies where there is a duel or a gunfight between
Cowboys.
two cowboys or two protagonists, the good guy and the bad guy. Even if the bad guy move first, but the bad guy will be killed, right? The good guy survive.
Pass drone lang.
So the word the description there is that you have to hit somebody first, but never to be hit by your opponent. So that is the highest level of training.